I'm Steph Evans of Evotech, who are partnered with MSC Software. Here's another one of our MSC Apex Quick Bites, this time looking at how you can auto-replace parts within your Apex database.
We've now got the ability to automatically replace solid meshed entities with new geometry. So here we've got a tech mesh bracket, and we can import the new geometry for a new bracket, and then right click in the model browser, select part replace, and then we've got the option of looking at the new part and the old part. The new part has taken all of the mesh parameters, anything connected to the model definition, the properties, the material, so updating the model in the blink of an eye, really straightforward. Once we accept the modification, then the original part will disappear and we're left with the new one.
I hope you found this interesting. If you'd like to develop your Apex usage, head over to our site where you'll find many online learning opportunities.